So you got a new Amazon Echo speaker. Now what? After you take it out of the box and go through the setup process, here's how to get the most out of your new speaker. Alexa, the digital voice assistant built into every Echo device, can give you a flash briefing of the news. Alexa, what's my flash briefing?
Here's your flash briefing. In weather, right now in Santa Clara, it's 61 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies.
You get to decide what news services Alexa uses. In the Alexa app, tap the menu button in the top left and select Settings. Under Alexa Preferences, tap Flash Briefing. You can add news sources including CNET, NPR, and People by tapping the plus sign. You can also pick the default music service your Echo will use when you ask it to play a song, artist, album, or playlist. Alexa, play Spotify.
Here is Spotify.
The planet so high, now revolve around me.
Tap the menu button, then Settings and Music, then pick your preferred service. You can link to your TuneIn, iHeartRadio, or Spotify accounts too, and set them as the default. Your Echo speaker can help remind you about upcoming events or manage your schedule, but first you need to log into the account you use for your calendar. Tap the menu button, then Settings, then Calendar. You can choose from Google, Microsoft Outlook, Apple, and Microsoft Exchange. Once logged in, Alexa can create and modify events and tell you about your upcoming ones. Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
Today there are 2 events remaining. At 4 p.m. there's manicure. At 6 p.m. there's dinner date.
Alexa, add event called Doctor's Appointment to my calendar on December 15th at 1 p.m.
I'll schedule doctor's appointment on Saturday, December 15th at 1 p.m., okay?
Yes.
Okay, I've added that.
You can ask your speaker to buy anything on Amazon. Alexa, order paper towels.
One moment. Here's what I found. Amazon's choice is Presto, paper towels, 12 count.
You just have to turn the feature on first before you can use it. In the Alexa app, open the menu, select Settings, and tap Alexa Account. Then tap Voice Purchasing. You will need to have one-click purchasing set up in your Amazon account to use voice purchasing. For an extra layer of security, set up a voice code to prevent anyone but you from ordering products. You'll simply say this 4-digit PIN when making each purchase with your voice. If you'd rather not be able to make purchases with Alexa but still want to shop, leave voice purchasing off. You can still shop for products on Amazon, and they will be added to your cart so you can check out later. Alexa, order toothpaste.
Amazon's choice is Crest 3D White Mint Toothpaste, 3.5 ounces, twin pack. It's $5.71.
Alexa, add to cart.
Sure, add it to cart.
Perhaps there's someone at home named Alexa, or you just want to pretend like you're on Star Trek. You can change the word that you use to get Alexa's attention. Tap the home icon on the bottom right of the Alexa app, then tap Echo and Alexa. Select your Echo speaker and scroll to Wake Word. There you can choose from 4 options of words you say when you want to talk to your Echo. Computer, did the 49ers win?
On Sunday, the 49ers lost to the Seahawks, 43-16.
The list of voice commands you can use with your Echo is seemingly never-ending. Here are a few to get you started. Alexa, set a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, set another timer for 5 minutes.
Second timer, 5 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, set volume to 6. Alexa, add avocados to my shopping list.
Avocados added to your shopping list.
Alexa, who won the World Series?
The Boston Red Sox beat the Los Angeles Dodgers 4-1 in the 2018 World Series.
Alexa, I want the truth.
You can't handle the truth.